We need to reinforce the turret housing here.
Agreed. The stress analysis shows a critical weakness at this joint.
The turret base needs adjustment here according to the schematic.
Let's cross-reference the tolerances on the physical build.
The core structure begins here. White-hot steel poured into the largest molds on Earth, forming the backbone of the world's biggest tank.
Lower it slowly, watch the clearance on the left.
Looks good, coming into alignment. Okay, set it down, we're seated.
The alignment is perfect, just like the specs. We are secure for the next phase.
Bring it down slowly, watch the clearance on the left.
Looks good, set it down.
Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment.
Looks good from here. Clear.
Set it down. This finish is perfect, absolutely no orange peel.
The robotic pass was flawless.